great news is that eating the right foods can make your tummy happy and help you feel much better. Let's explore 10 superfoods that are great for your belly and can help you stay healthy and full of energy. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things health, wellness, and feeling your best. Today, we're diving into an amazing topic: gut health. Your gut isn't just where your food goes, it's like a magical world inside you, full of tiny helpers called your gut microbiome. And guess what? What you eat can make or break that world. So today, I'm sharing 10 gut-loving foods that can transform your digestion and boost your overall wellness. Number 1. Yogurt. This creamy, delicious snack is packed with probiotics, which are the good bacteria your gut needs to thrive. These little guys help improve your digestion and keep your tummy happy. Just make sure to go for plain yogurt without added sugars, it's healthier and way better for your gut. Yogurt is a superstar for your gut. It's full of probiotics, which are tiny, friendly bacteria that help keep your belly healthy and happy. These good bacteria work hard to improve your digestive health, fight off bad bugs, and support your gut microbiome. Number 2. Kimchi. Next is kimchi. Kimchi is a spicy Korean dish made from fermented foods like cabbage. It's loaded with probiotics and is an incredible natural remedy for your gut. Plus, it adds a delicious kick to any meal. Kimchi is a spicy, crunchy dish made from fermented cabbage and other veggies. Fermented foods like kimchi are packed with probiotics that help your gut stay balanced and strong. This tasty Korean food is a natural remedy for improving digestive wellness and protecting against issues like leaky gut. Next up is refreshing kefir. This is kefir, yogurt's cool cousin. It's a drinkable, tangy superfood full of even more probiotics to boost your digestive health. Kefir is a creamy, tangy drink that's like yogurt, but even better for your gut health. It's full of probiotics and nutrients that promote a healthy gut microbiome. Drinking kefir regularly can help improve your digestive health and keep your tummy feeling its best. Add it to smoothies, or just drink it on its own to reset your gut. It's a gut health game changer. Number 4. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is made from cabbage and salt. Your gut, often called the microbiome, is home to millions of beneficial bacteria, and there's another delicious fermented food to enjoy: sauerkraut. Crunchy and tangy, this delightful dish is packed with good-for-you bacteria, making it a fun and easy way to boost your gut health. Sauerkraut is another amazing fermented food made from cabbage. It's full of fiber and probiotics, which make it a superfood for your gut. Eating sauerkraut can help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and support a healthy gut. Add it to your sandwiches or salads for a tasty, gut-friendly twist. Next up, let's talk about bananas, a superfood for your gut health. Green bananas, the ones that aren't ripe yet, are especially good because they have something called resistant starch. It's a special kind of fiber that your gut's tiny helpers, called microbes, love to eat. Who doesn't love bananas? These are prebiotic powerhouses. That means they feed the good bacteria in your gut, helping them grow strong and keep your digestion smooth. Plus, they're so easy to grab on the go. Bananas help those friendly bugs in your tummy grow stronger, which makes your gut healthier. They're also super gentle on your stomach, so they're a great snack if you have tummy troubles. For example, bananas can help if you're feeling constipated or if you have loose stools. Garlic is number 6 on the list. Garlic is not just great for adding flavor to your dishes, they also come with a multitude of health benefits. Whether you enjoy them raw or cooked, garlic can work wonders for your gut, thanks to special fibers called inulin and fructooligosaccharides. These fibers are like superfood for the good bugs in your gut, helping them grow. Garlic isn't just for adding flavor to your food, it's a natural remedy for gut health. It's loaded with prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut and support your gut microbiome. Garlic can also help protect your gut from bad bacteria and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Number 7. Ginger. Ginger is good for gut health. Ginger is one of the best natural remedies for improving digestive wellness. Ginger tea can help reduce bloating, soothe an upset stomach, and even improve digestion. Whether you enjoy them raw or as a tea, ginger can help improve your gut health. Adding ginger to your diet is an easy way to boost your gut health. Ginger is a lifesaver when your stomach feels off. It's one of the best natural remedies for bloating, nausea, and other tummy troubles. Brew it as tea or grate it into your dishes to keep your gut happy. Number 8. Whole grains like oatmeal. Whole grains like oats and quinoa are fibre-rich and help sweep out your digestive system like a broom. They're also great at feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, and brown rice are packed with fiber, which acts like a broom for your digestive system. They also support a healthy gut microbiome by feeding the good bacteria in your tummy. Including whole grains in your meals is a simple way to improve your gut health diet. Swap white bread for whole grain bread for extra fiber. Number 9 is chia seeds. Sprinkling chia seeds into a smoothie. Chia seeds may be small, but they're a superfood for your gut. They're full of fiber and can help keep your digestion smooth and regular. When chia seeds absorb water, they form a gel-like texture that's gentle on your stomach and helps protect against issues like leaky gut. These tiny seeds are a huge win for your gut health diet. They're full of fiber and help protect your gut lining. Bonus, they turn into a fun, jelly-like texture when soaked, perfect for puddings or smoothies. Number 10. Apple. And last but not least, apples. They are full of fiber, especially a type called pectin, which acts like food for the good bacteria in your gut. They're high in pectin, a special fiber that works as a prebiotic. Eating one apple daily will help keep your gut running like a well-oiled machine. Apples are not only delicious, but also great for your digestive health. Pectin acts as a prebiotic to feed the good bacteria in your gut. Eating apples regularly can improve digestion and keep your tummy feeling happy. These foods are not just tasty, they're life-changing when it comes to improving your digestive wellness and overall health. Start adding them to your meals, and you'll feel the difference in no time. Eat more fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut. Add plenty of prebiotics like bananas and garlic to feed your gut bacteria. Focus on whole, natural foods for better nutrition and overall wellness. Remember to drink plenty of water. Incorporating these 10 gut-loving foods into your diet can significantly enhance your health and well-being. Including these gut-healthy foods in your diet will support your digestive health, boost your gut microbiome, and make you feel better from the inside out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and gut-friendly recipes. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite food for gut health? See you next time, and remember, a happy gut means a happy you. Remember, a healthy gut leads to a healthier you. Subscribe for more wellness and nutrition tips.